All right, back at it. How y'all doing? How are you guys? Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna work on the Subi. As you guys saw originally when I purchased it, the hood scoop was missing and these little side holes were missing. So me being me, I ordered some carbon fiber pieces for it, and yeah, let's get to throwing them on. So we got the hood vent, Supra, what's going on? So yeah, we got right here carbon fiber hood scoop, all the hardware taped off, and then our side pieces as well. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the hood scoop. So for the hood scoop, you guys saw the hardware. I was just making sure it fits, but pretty much plain and simple. Clean the area, and then this will sit just like that on there. You tighten it down. All right, so super easy. You peel off the tape, go ahead and place it in this place, pass the hardware through with your hand first, then tighten it. It's a 10 mil, and then it's done. Here's the hood scoop, no gaps, everything looks solid, much better. Now we're gonna begin the side pieces, and just like that, we're all done. Super easy to install, like I said. So you 3M tape this like I showed you guys, and then you can self tap it if you like. I just did it just to be safe. I don't want it flying off, but check that out. Came out good. Hood scoop looking good, this side looking good. So if you buy a car that doesn't come with this stuff, you can get it. Check that out, looks so good. Super happy with it. Nice. Anyways, a small video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Subi's almost ready to come out and play. Just a little bit more stuff left, but yeah, check that out. Hood scoop looks good too. Anyways, thank you. Peace.